Hello, I'm Michael, and I am a co-founder and the parapsychologist for East Sussex Paranormal Society. This is the number two, in our series of instructional videos. What we're going to do today is we're going to show you some software. Of course, it's free. Free is good. I like free. I'm sure you do too. What we're going to do is we're going to show you some free software that we use for analyzing audio, video, still photos, and also how you can transfer all of those into a video through another piece of software that we love to use. So in just a minute here, I'll show you some software. Okay, the first piece of software we're going to talk about here today is Audacity. Audacity is what we use for audio. Second piece is going to be Image Analyzer, which is by a company called MeSoft. That's for video, actually for still photos, not video. And then we have Canovia, which is for video. Unfortunately, it will analyze video, and it's used for sports applications a lot, but it will not give you audio. Now, just to give you a little sample of what they each look like when you open them up, I'm going to crack those open for you and let you check it out. First one we're looking at here today is going to be Audacity. Audacity opens up, looks pretty plain, it's pretty simple, it's a simple layout. You open up a file by going to File. We've got plenty of files in here already, so we can go to Recent Files and choose a recent file. And when choosing that, you'll see that there is not only an audio analysis, but you'll be able to see visually the differences between the sounds that you're getting, background noises and various other things, and you'll be able after a while to be able to differentiate which is which, and it'll help you tremendously in picking out what's normal or abnormal. Now, there are lots of effects you can use on here. In the effects, you'll be able to change, amplify it, you'll be able to equalize it, compress it, filter it, noise removal, just various things you can do to be able to isolate the sounds that you're getting and what you think might be paranormal. Of course, there's also an Analyze button here. If you click on that, you can plot a spectrum. There's a beat finder, silence finder, those kind of things. Great piece of software. Once again, it is free, and it is available for download. Of course, on our website, we will have links that make it readily available for you to download this software. We're going to move along right now because we're usually very short on time. And the next piece of software that we're going to be looking at here today is going to be Image Analyzer. Image Analyzer, like I said, is by a company called MeSoft. And of course, you can donate, even though it's a free piece of software, you can donate to help out with further projects or whatever. And what you get here is you get a file. You can choose a JPEG, a shot that you took, a still photo, and you'll be able to go into Operations, Plugins, and you can get your filtering. There are filters here that are available to sharpen, smooth, adaptive smoothing, medium filter, JPEG filter, deinterlacing, the list goes on and on what you can do as far as filtering your stuff here. There are also plugins available here which allows you for 3D modeling. You can basically generate from a depth map, you can generate lathe profiles and that kind of stuff. Another great piece of free software that we like to use. And what we're going to do is you can also zoom in and zoom out there with that little deal you see right there. We're going to move along because, like I said, once again, we are short on time usually. Our next piece of software we're going to talk about is going to be Canovia. Canovia is useful in analyzing video. When analyzing video, you want to be able to back it up, move it forward. Basically, if you don't know how to use the software, you can go to the help file here, and on the help file there's a video tutorial, and that video tutorial will allow you to watch step by step on your screen, fully automated, how to use this software. So what you'll get is, by hitting play on here, you'll get a step-by-step walkthrough on how to use it, and it will show you all of that. So this is great. It's used by sports enthusiasts and companies that deal with sports and sportsmen to basically analyze the activities that the sportsmen are doing. You'll see that right now we have a guy snowboarding on here, and it will back him up, move him forward, do all that kind of stuff. Great stuff for you right there. like I said, we are short on time, so I'm going to move forward from here. I'm going to step out here and go to Picasa. Picasa is great for your home photos, whatever you want to do, video, everything else. One of the greatest things about Picasa is that you can upload things that you've got here directly to the internet. YouTube is one of those places. You can print it, you can email it, you can export it, you can blog it, collage, video, or you can geotag different things on there as well. So the good thing about that is that you have instant access to uploading your videos to the internet and or your photos. What we like to do is say if you are going to make a video from your investigations, this is one of the best places to go ahead and upload that straight to the internet. And what you'll get is you'll get something asking you to put in your passwords, everything else, and you can move forward from there to uploading your information. Okay, so basically we've covered all of our software for today, but what we haven't covered is how to transfer your data straight over to the internet or straight over to your software. And with our digital voice recorder here, we do have our line in to the recorder, which is basically into the headphone socket, and then we have the end of the cable which goes into your laptop or PC, and that will allow you to go line in directly and save that stuff, be able to listen to it. That's all we have time for today. Thank you very much. We'll be covering in another segment how to actually transfer your data, video, audio, and still photos. And for East Sussex Paranormal Society, I'm Michael. Have a good day. Keep it safe, keep it thorough, and keep it open-minded. Thanks.